What's up with this? I want to play Cuphead, but I can't.
Yeah, you need a game controller to play Cuphead. We're going to show you which one to use and how right now. To play Cuphead in a Tesla, first you need a game controller. I recommend this one, the Gamepad F310 by Logitech. It's cheap, about 15 bucks, quality build, and it's a name brand. We'll put the link down below to where you can find one. Next, you just plug it into the USB port down here. Cuphead uses the controller, not the steering wheel, to control the game, so you don't have to center your wheel like you do for some other games.
And if you get 2 of them, then you just doubled the fun, because it's also a 2-player game.
Setup for the second player is easy. Just plug in the second USB controller here. Then have the second player hit any button after you started the game. You can even join mid-mission, but if you do that, player 2 will only have 1 hit point. But don't worry, because when you die, as you inevitably will, because Cuphead is a tough game, you'll come back with full health the next time.
Thanks for watching. For more great Model 3 tutorials, click here and subscribe for new up-to-date content coming out all the time. Be sure to leave a like. Now you know.